Verifying identity on Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. In your browser, go to revolut.com. So, this is the home page of Revolut. Here at the bottom, click on Help. From there, go to Help Center. A new page opens up. Now, at the middle of this page, you can see Profile and Plan. Here, click on Verify My Identity. So a number of relevant questions have appeared. Tap on How do I verify my identity? So, as you see, the first step in doing so is to go to your profile. Here, this can be done by clicking on Profile icon located on the top left corner of the app. After this, select Account and then Personal Details. Then third step is to verify your account. Also, give a read to the requirements of Selfie. Moreover, here comes the requirements for a document. This includes that it must have a clear picture and a few other requirements. So, this is all about how to verify identity on Revolut.